That's right, there it is, another box of 2018 Optic. I said I wasn't going to do any more. I said I would stop, but how does one stop after having such incredible luck? This came from a completely different source. The guy that I was buying the magic boxes from is sold out, so this came from a completely different source. No guarantees, and honestly, I don't want to be too pessimistic, but like, I don't know. I just pulled a crazy baseball auto just yesterday, so I can't say my luck has run out. I don't know. We're gonna see. That's what I do know. I do know that we're going to open this box of Optic and see if somehow we could pull another good auto. I started thinking about it last night and thinking, you know, when I pull a good auto out of something like this, well, there's 4. I mean, so, you know, it's good. It's great when you pull something like wonderful out of there, but it's nowhere near as amazing as when you pull a great auto out of a box that only has 1. I mean, you're only getting one shot at it. So the run of luck for this Optic stuff is just absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. So, alright, that said, I won't be crazy disappointed if I get just a run-of-the-mill auto this time, but you never know. That's one thing I have learned from this crazy luck streak, is that you just never know. Alright, starting off with Kirk Cousins, Jared Goff, a Denzel Ward holo, and a Darius Geis rated rookie. I will be doing like I did the last few, where I do set the auto aside. It's just more fun that way, since there is only one, to check it out at the end. Emmanuel Sanders, AJ Green, a blue Joe Flacco, and a Hayden Hurst rated rookie. Jarrett McKinnon, Amari Cooper, a silver Devontae Parker holo, and Malik Jefferson rookie. Marlon Mack, Marvin Jones Jr. Oh, sweet, a Tom Brady illusions. You don't get one of these in every box. Lamar Jackson. Good pack there. Really solid pack. Peterson, Evans, Josh Rosen, Elite Series rookies, and Mark Andrews. Andy Dalton, Todd Gurley, a Doug Baldwin blue, and Bradley Chubb. This is numbered out of 50. Marquise Goodwin, Von Miller, a Legend Series, Eric Dickerson, and a Josh Rosen rated rookie. My rated rookies this time have been good. There have been boxes. If you watch the breaks closely, you might have just been looking for the auto, but if you pay attention to the rated rookies, there were some boxes that were just pretty rough. Alright, Mixon, Wentz, Golden Tate, holo, and Tanner Lee. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm nervous just thinking about it. After pulling such crazy stuff. Wow. Alright. Rogers, O.J. Howard, an orange James Washington, decent. Those are the $1.99, and Derwin James. Ooh, almost did my drop a card, but I saved it. Khalil Mack, Leonard Williams, Devontae Booker, and Boston Scott. Derek Carr, Crowder, Baldwin, and Jalen Samuels, rated rookie. Campbell, Freeman, Von Miller, Retro, and Minka. Allen, McCaffrey, Luke Falk, light blue rookie to $2.99, and Cortland Sutton. If you need any of the rated rookies for your set, I have a listing on eBay that I just put all the rated rookies in, and I just keep refilling it as I open these boxes. You can select just the cards you need out of that if you want to go there and get what you need. Vic Beasley Jr. to $1.99. I have not done that with all these base cards. If you need any of those, you can email me, email address below, and tell me the numbers that you need. We'll work something out. Alex Collins, Stafford, a Wentz Elite Series, and Alden Tate. The parallels will also be on eBay if you need those. Marshawn Lynch, Golden Tate, Earl Thomas, Shaquem Griffin. Devontae Parker, Mahomes, Burnett. I think this is purple. Yeah, to 50. And Winky. Winky. Olsen, Robbie Anderson. What is this? A Valdez-Scantling crazy parallel. I forgot what this is called. I haven't seen this as a rated rookie. There's no number. Huh. This is called something and I can't remember. But that's definitely the first rookie parallel version. And it's blue. Huh. Interesting. Gallup. Alright, last pack before we check out the auto. Beasley, Tom Brady, Devontae Adams to $2.99. I've been pulling lots of Devontae Adams stuff lately. Ratley. Alright, here we go. A jump card. A Mark Walton, Blake Bortles, Matt Ryan, and Jamon Moore. Wow, that stinks. I got two of his to 50. I mean, it is a short print, but it's definitely not who you want to get. This is the second one of his that I've pulled. All the last one was just the base hollow. And so this one is a little bit better, but still. Well, they can't all be Baker Mayfield. They can't all be Saquon. So, I don't know. Maybe my luck, like I said, with the optics coming to an end. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get one more. Maybe I'll stop now and run off into the sunset with the crazy good hits that I've already pulled out of this stuff. Either way, it's fun to open. Lots of parallels, lots of rookies. I mean, I wish you got one more auto like you do with the baseball, but gosh, wouldn't that be fun? But anywho, I'm going to quit blabbing. I do have some interesting stuff coming up. Really interesting stuff with lots of hits. I want to give you a hint, but I can't think of a good one without giving it away. I will tell you it's a brand that I don't think I've ever opened on the channel. And I'm going to test out 4 or 5 different boxes of it. So I don't know if that gives it away or helps, but Be looking for that to come up soon. And that's it, guys. Talk to you later. Hope everybody's having a great week. Bye.